You Americans go to hospital, get treated, go home back. Then a few weeks later, a bill comes with a number you never heard of. And then you guys negotiate. Like, why is American healthcare system such a scam? In Bangladesh, we go to private hospital and they tell us the cost, and that's the amount we pay. And public hospitals are basically free. Here, price exists before the treatment. In USA, the hospital charges the official price. Then the insurance companies come in to negotiate your price. Good luck to the uninsured people. The real price is negotiable. The posted price is the starting point of bargaining. I hear there are actual companies in USA that solely exist to negotiate your prices down for medical bills. Like what? In USA, medical bill negotiation is a profession. People has actually built their careers over this. Man, American healthcare is so expensive. I hear ambulance fees are over $1,000. An appendix surgery without complications can cost over 30K. USA spends more per person on healthcare than any other country on earth. More spendings, worst outcomes, unpredictable bills. Like Americans, what's happening? Can you guys explain?